Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making caramelized chicken wings.
Glossy, sticky, a little smoky, and seriously addictive.
Let's prepare the wings.
I've got some chicken wings here and I'm cutting each one into 2 pieces. Now let's get rid of that raw smell. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and give it a really good rub. After that, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Flour grabs onto all the blood and impurities, so keep squeezing until it feels a bit sticky. Then rinse it off with clean water several times until the wings are completely clean. Make sure you drain out all the water. This step is important.
Time to season.
Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Massage everything together.
Let's fry the wings.
Get your wok hot with a bit of oil. Then lay the wings in. We just want the surface to get a little charred and golden. Once they are nicely browned, take them out and let the excess oil drip off. In the clean wok, heat a little oil on low. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and let it slowly melt. When you see those tiny bubbles popping up all over, go ahead and add the minced garlic. Turn the heat to high and let it bloom. Then add 5 grams oyster sauce and stir until it smells amazing. Turn off the heat, add the wings back in, and toss everything until they are completely coated in that glossy caramel sauce. Sprinkle a handful of sesame seeds over the top. Look at that shine. These caramelized wings are insanely good.
Let me try one for you. Oh wow, the outside is smoky and caramelized, and the inside is super tender. As long as you don't burn your sugar, this dish is basically foolproof. Give it a try at home, you will love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.